Starting around the 7th of June 2023, torrential slide for the most part is exchanging at $14.38 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.98% in absolute most recent 60-minute, which basically is genuinely critical. Avax has a sort of all-out market cap of $4,957,837,669, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $194,066,039. Beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. This, in every practical sense, makes torrential slide for the most part positioning at 15 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide basically be somewhat worth in 2023? Is torrential slide a sort of wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Will Avax cost truly outperform its unequaled high, or so they generally thought? These generally are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value expectation 2023 as per the torrential slide estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Avax value sort of is supposed to basically cross an exceptionally normal value level of $18.13. The normal by and large least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the in every way that really matters. Current year ought to essentially be $17.54. Or so they generally thought. Besides, Avax can generally arrive at a greatest value level of $20.73 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value figure June 2023. The normal cost of torrential slide could really go to $15.49 toward the finish of June 2023. Avax could be exchanging around a sort of most extreme worth of $15.93 with the really least expected cost of $14.16, which certainly is very critical. Torrential slide value expectation July 2023. With respect to July 2023, torrential slide cost generally is estimate to especially arrive at an actually the most reduced cost of $15.06 in a kind of significant manner. The Avax cost could arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $16.71 with the genuinely normal expected cost around $15.80 in a quite enormous manner. Torrential slide value expectation August 2023. The cost for torrential slide in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $15.53 and $17.49, showing how might Avax cost really outperform its record-breaking extremely high in a truly significant manner. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $16.27 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value expectation September 2023. Torrential slide cost is supposed to by and large reach between $16.19 to $18.31 in September 2023, while the extremely normal cost of a Avax for the September most certainly remains around $16.92 a Avax value gauge October 2023. With respect to October 2023, torrential slide especially is supposed to truly arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $16.52. Incredibly, the Avax cost could arrive at a most extreme cost of $18.99 with the genuinely normal cost around $17.26, which explicitly is very critical. Torrential slide value gauge November 2023. The extremely normal cost of torrential slide could especially go to $17.61 toward the finish of November 2023. Or so they truly thought. Avax could in a real sense exchange around a genuinely most extreme worth of $19.85 with the essentially least expected cost of $17.02. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. The cost of torrential slide is basically anticipated to essentially reach at any rate worth of $17.54 in December 2023, showing how Avax truly has a truly all-out market cap of $4,957,837,669 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $194,066,039. Incredibly, the Avax cost could explicitly arrive at an especially greatest worth of $20.73 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $18.13 all through 2023 in an extremely significant manner. Torrential slide kind of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Avalanche's cost generally has shown a decent increment of 1.89% in the truly most recent 24 hours in a very significant manner. From most recent 7 days, the Avax basically was an essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.9% in an every way that really matters significant way. Torrential slide in a real sense has shown exceptionally areas of strength for lovely potential recently, and this could be all things considered. Great chance to dive right in and in a real sense put resources into an unpretentious way generally. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of a VAX sort of diminished by 32.301%, wiping out an incredible sort of normal amount of $6.86 from its ongoing worth. So while the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $16.27, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge, this unexpected down generally implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a very decent essentially purchase a valuable open door for fast interest in a quite huge manner. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 19.17%, and the cost commonly circled from a for the most part least kind of typical cost of $16.54 to by and large greatest for the most part normal cost of $18.27 in the sort of beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. In every way that really matters. Most recent 4 months torrential slide basically has shown a developing pattern, or so they in a real sense thought. Subsequently, we fundamentally feel that comparable pieces of the market basically were very famous at that period. Sort of additional appearance how torrential slide value expectation December 2023. The cost of torrential slide sort of is especially anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $17.54 in December 2023, exhibiting how Avax generally has a by and large complete market cap of $4,957,837,669 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $194,066,039 and in an every practical sense, significant way. As per the practically the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of torrential slide in a real sense is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting that torrential slide value expectation September 2023. Torrential slide cost basically is supposed to reach between $16.19 to $18.31 in September 2023, while the truly normal cost of a VAX for the September all things considered stays around $16.92 a VAX value conjecture October 2023. With respect to October 2023, torrential slide truly is supposed to truly arrive at an in every way that really matters, least value worth of $16.52. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, showing how truly is torrential slide a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is genuinely huge. The coin in a real sense is up by 15.99% with the all things considered. Greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin really was around $11.78, and the especially least typical cost of especially was around $11.56 in kind of beyond 4 months, which generally is very huge. Torrential slide value figure 2023 FAQs. What will be torrential slide worth in 2023? Truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The AVAX cost by and large is estimated to basically arrive at a most extreme degree of $20.73 with genuinely least cost of $17.54 toward the finish of 2023. In opposition to mainstream thinking, torrential slides in every way that really matters.